always arrive at having two answers for x, right? That means when we solve, we're going to have x to be equals to the first one there, which is minus 3 as the first answer for x, comma, and then when we solve again, we'll have x to be equals to the next answer, which is positive 2. So these are the two we are going to use to arrive at the equation. We are moving backward step by step, right? I just want you to see the steps clear, right? So what you do now is you are going to move with this minus 3 from this axis where it is to this next axis to the x. Also move with this 2. It is plus 2 on the right hand side. When it jumps to the left where the x is, it becomes minus 2. And let's see. And then this is minus 3 here. When it jumps, it becomes plus 3. X plus 3 is equals to 0. I have nothing on that side again. I have nothing there. And for the next one, I'm just going to solve it here. I'm going to solve it here. For the next one, I'll have now x, and then this is plus 2. When it jumps, it becomes now minus 2 is equals to 0. I am going backward gradually to arrive at the equation. I've not yet got the equation, but what I'm going to do now, these are two values that I have, x plus 3 and x minus 2. I'm going to arrange them in a group of brackets and then try to FOIL them out. That's what I'm going to do in this next step coming up. Right, these are the two parentheses I'm going to expand. I will be FOILing out, right? I'm going to be distributing the first bracket to the next bracket that I have opposite to it. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to distribute. I'll be distributing everything that is in here. I'll distribute it to all that I have here, right? Let's see. We're going to take x times x, which will give me x squared, and then x times -2, it will give me negative, keep track of the minus sign, which will give me negative 2x. And then if I distribute the plus 3 that I have here to all of these guys, I will have plus 3 times x, which will give me plus 3x, and then 3 times -2 will give me minus 6. If I distribute 3 times -2 will give me -6, right? And from this junction, I will try to do grouping. I will try to group them now. Now it's total sum of x squared and plus x minus 6 is equals to 0. That's my equation. That's after distributing all that I have in here to the next brackets, moving with everything that is inside here to this bracket, right? That gives me this. So this is my equation that has the root -3, and positive 2. So you see, they're just giving you the answers. If you like, you can plug them back to get the reverse. You can arrive back at the reverse to have x to be equals to -3 and x to be equals to positive 2. And these two answers are applicable to make this equation equals to 0, one after the other. Please don't plug the two of them on the spot. If you are using -3, you should use -3 wherever you see x and then solve for it.